Now let's start with the another point of arithmetic operator. Assignment operator, sorry, I'm really sorry, assignment operator. Okay, this is another operator we are talking about right now. Okay, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variable. Python also provides compound assignment operator that perform operations like addition and subtraction. What do I say? I am saying that Python also provide compound assignment operator that perform operations like addition, subtraction and etc. We will see this further. For now, just know this. And another point is a basic assignment operator is simple equals to. This equals to I always told you that here in Python it symbols that it assigns the value. Okay, so remember this, and this is called as a assignment operator. From now we will talk this for assignment operator. Now let's move to another point of assignment operator. Compound assignment operator combines arithmetic operations with assignment. What did I say? Compound assignment operator combines arithmetic operations with assignment. But first, you have to understand how things work when we reassign variables with Python and reassigning variables with addition, subtraction, and etc. Here it says that we can add more value, we can work more better by reassigning variables with addition and subtraction. But first you have to understand how thing works when we reassign variables in Python and also reassigning variables with addition, subtraction, etc. Now let's move to the another point to understand. Watch the video. Now let's move to the fourth point. Using to understand, watch the video carefully. You have to watch this video very carefully to understand this. Using compound assignment operator, the re the reassigning works better. What do I say? What do I mean? Using compound assignment operator, the reassigning works better. Means add we are adding a addition before the assignment operator. It works better when we reassign the assignment operator using any of these. Means you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division by anything. So all this we have read before, you can do here also. Okay, we can do add and assign, we can do subtract and assign, we can do multiply and assign, we can do divide and assign, we can do floor divide and assign, we can do module and assign, we can do exponential and assign. That we have read before is coming use here only. And how we'll do this we will see later on. Okay, now let's move to the another operator, which is comparison operator. What is comparison operator? Let's see. Comparison operator, also called relational operator, are used to compare two values. It is also called relational operator. It is very important point, and it is used to compare two values. Okay, now let's move to next point. Comparison operator will always provide boolean result that is true or false. As we know that boolean always leads to true and false. So here comparison operator will always provide boolean, and as we know that boolean always give true and false. Okay, the points which I am highlighting is very important just to remember this. Next point is comparison operator are as follow. Remember, these all signs are very important. So remember these signs. Okay, this means equal to, this represents not equal to, this represents greater than, this represents less than, this represents greater than or equal to, and this represents less than or equal to. Okay, now let's move to another point. Comparison operator. Comparison operator will work with number, but you can use them with string as well. What do I say? It means that it work with number also, but you can also use with string. Okay, string will be comparing a ASCII values of string. What is ASCII value? As in my previous video, I have make you understand what is ASCII values. Okay, now let's move to the another operator. I hope you understand what is comparison operator. These we have to remember these symbols very carefully. Okay, this should be in tips. If you have to be very good at Python, all these things I have mentioned, highlighted, you have to remember these things very carefully. And I am writing this v I. It is very important, this through this topic. And in beginning these all are very important, just to remember this. Now let's move to another point, which is logical operator. What is logical operator? I am reading it out. Okay, logical operator in Python are used to combine multiple conditions and return a boolean result true and false. What did I say? I'm repeating it again. Logical operator in Python are used to combine multiple conditions and return a boolean result. It combines multiple conditions. It combines multiple conditions and return a boolean result. And as we know, boolean result which leads to true or false. Okay, I hope you understand this point. Now let's move to the next point. There are three types of logical operator. What did I say? What did I say? There are three types of logical operator. First is and, second is or, third is not. What is and or not? And means return true if both condition are true. What is both condition? I told you that it combines multiple condition. So these are the conditions. Okay, are true, or return true if at least one condition is true. Okay, we will use or if any one condition is true. We will use not. We will use not reverse the boolean, means not reverse the boolean value. So these three are very important, just to remember it. Okay, now let's move to another point, and you have to watch this video for better understanding. These two topics are very important. If we miss this topic, then our Python will be very weak. I am summarizing these 2 points in short. Okay, this is also called relational operations and used to compare two values. Comparison operator will always provide boolean result that is true or false. Okay, these are the operations to remember. It is less equal to, it is not equal to, it is greater than, it is less than, it is greater than equal to, it is less than equal to. Comparison operator will work with number, but you can use them with string as well. What did I say? That comparison operator will work with number, but you can use with string as well, as I have told you previously. String will comparing the ASCII values. String will compare the ASCII values, and I have told you previously what is ASCII values. And this is logical operator. We have to remember these three very well. Okay, and is used to return true if condition are true, or is used to return true if at least one condition is true. Not is used for reverse boolean values.